Hello friends, my name is Ajinkya and I am the Microsoft Python certified trainer. So in this video tutorial or as per the demand of the student, how to create a database using a MySQL. So this is another session we will start. In this session, we will create a database using a MySQL and attach it a database to the Python. So we will create a small and simple application that can be used to insert a data into a database, fetch the value from the database, how we can update the value present in the database. So all these kind of operations, how we can perform by using a MySQL and Python. For this purpose, first we will create a database using a MySQL. So how to create a database using MySQL. Then in the next video session, we will see that how we can configure a database with a Python. And the next video we will see a simple application that can be used to insert a value into database, delete a value from database, update the value from the database. All these kind of operations we will perform. So in this tutorial, first we will learn that how to create a database using a MySQL. For this purpose, I have a XAMPP server, that is a first double click on it and start the services, that is Apache services and MySQL services. First you start these two services. After starting these two services, open the Google Chrome and type here localhost. So localhost, when you enter by typing the localhost, the interface is look like this. In this interface, click on the PHP My Admin menu. So this is a PHP My Admin menu. This interface can be used to create a database. So how we can create a database? So in your left hand side, this is a databases. Okay. So how we can create a database? Database. Suppose I am creating a database that is called as Python registration. So this is my database name. Okay, so create a new SQL database. So my database name is a Python registration. This is my database name. And click on the create. So how we can create a table? We already create a database called as a Python registration. In the Python registration, we will create a table. So in the database, there are multiple tables. Suppose I am creating a table that is called as a table login. And in the table login, I want to add a thread field. Okay. So click on the go button. So this is our table. This is our table. Okay. So first column, that is ID. I want to ID and it's a data type as an integer. Its length should be a 5. Then index property, it specify the primary. So ID, it should be a primary and auto incremented. So this is my first field and first field properties. That is integer data type, length it should be a 5. Then index, that is the primary, and auto incremented by 1. So second column, I want to require the username. So it's a data type, it should be a varchar. Then length should be a 20 character, it should be a 20 character long. Then this is a properties of username field. Last, that is a password field and it should be a varchar, length should be a 20 character. So in this way, you can create a table. After creating a table, click on the save button. Okay, so in the registration database, there is a table called table login. So this is our table login. If you want to add a data, that is a default data, into a table, then click on the table login, then click on the insert. There is a insert, and add a default data, that is user ID, that is ID, it should be 5. Username, I am entering the username as admin. Password, that is it's also admin. After inserting the data into a table, click on the go button. Okay, so again click on the go button. So in the table, after clicking on the table login, there should be a data present, that is admin, and password, it should be admin. So in this way you can create a database using a MySQL and Python. So in this video tutorial, we will see how we can create a database using a MySQL. In the next video tutorial, we will see how we can configure this database with a Python. I hope if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.